Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to do my August 2021 passive income report. I'm going to share with you how well my e-commerce business did last month. Specifically, I'm going to highlight my Amazon FBA, Amazon merch, Amazon KDP, my Google ads, and my dropshipped print on demand sales. I'm going to let you know across the board how my sales were, how my revenue was, and how much profit I made, because I know that's what really counts. So thank you for tuning in. Let's get started. Quick reminder, take advantage of the free weekly print on demand giveaway. It takes like 10 seconds to enter, and 2 winners are going to be selected and announced on Sunday. They will receive a license to Merch Titans Upload Automation, Merch Ninja Research Tools, All Sunsets Premium pre-made designs to help you, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. You can find a link in the description. Also, while you're down there, I've got a free 8-day print on demand mini course you can take advantage of. All I need is your email address and I'll send you 1 lesson a day. And I've got a great Facebook community in case you guys want to take advantage of that. All right, let's get on over to the income report. All right, let's start with Amazon FBA as we always do. I did 1,053 sales, bringing in $23,047 of revenue, of which I got to keep $6,008 as profit. My gross margin was roughly 26%. And of course, guys, if you want to check this out on my blog, I will put a link in the description. You can kind of take it at your own speed and check out the charts and whatnot and the notes that I made. Basically, I mean, this month, as predicted, was a lower month, kind of significantly lower than last month. As I mentioned, if you guys caught the July income report, I said that August would be lower because I was going to go out of inventory of some products. This is really just a function of me not being able, like Amazon will not let me send in the units when I need to. And I need to create the inbound shipment to let Amazon know that I'm sending it in. Basically, like I like to do that when I place the orders with my suppliers so that they have everything that they need to get everything produced. And it just time-wise doesn't really work out. Some suppliers also take longer than others. And then with sea shipping, number one, that's been a little bit more expensive than normal lately, and it's been taking a little bit longer than normal as well. So anyways, it just is what it is. I've got some SKUs that are out of inventory right now that'll be restocked soon. I've also got one supplier that's working on an order, taking forever as usual. I don't know why that supplier takes so long, but it is what it is. As far as advertising goes for my FBA business, I only spent $587 on ads to generate $3,378 in sales. My return on ad spend was 5.75. So doing pretty good, honestly. And I need to update that arrow. It actually should be flipped, should be down. Either way, yeah, I mean, decent enough month for FBA, $6,000 profit. I'll take that all day, especially because FBA, guys, is like super passive. It doesn't require a lot of my time and attention unless I'm like starting a new product line or, you know what I mean, launching new products, etc. All right, moving on. Amazon merch, 1,373 sales, bringing in $25,772 of revenue. The royalties that I collected on that totaled to $4,875. Average royalty per sale was $3.55. Also, I made roughly $4,000 in royalties. I spent just a little bit, like if you basically $875. I spent basically like $900 on ads last month, so I made roughly $4,000, which is basically what I made as profit in July as well after you deduct the ad spend. By the way, if you guys missed my advertising tutorial where we did like a really great step-by-step advertising tutorial that's accessible to everybody. It wasn't like a super advanced strategy. It was more or less something that every single person can do. I'll link to it in the YouTube cards right here. We were live, but I kept the replay up on YouTube, so make sure you guys check that out if you missed it. Okay, so you can see here, the most successful marketplace for me was USA, I believe, followed by UK, and then I believe followed by Germany. You know, I'm still having trouble like doing well in those other international marketplaces, but I do post all of my designs, pretty much all of them, yeah, with English text. So it makes sense that, you know, the 2 best-selling marketplaces are the 2 predominantly English-speaking marketplaces. All right, so you can, again, check out my blog post if you guys want more in-depth statistics and take a longer look at how my month went. But as you can see here, my bestseller did 25 sales. Second bestseller, which, I mean, if you could see the second best-selling t-shirt, it's like a joke. You guys would be like, how in the heck did you sell 16 of that shirt? Because it's literally, I mean, it's so simple and it's so random. Like, no research went into it. Sometimes I just go and I look at the graphics and then I just type out text that I would associate with the graphic, and then I post it to see what sells. The benefit of being in tier 200,000 is you can kind of do whatever you want because you have basically infinite upload slots. But yeah, best sellers after that, 15 sales, and then 11 sales. So pretty well diversified. Not like any crazy, no one design went crazy with the sales. And we're super concentrated. It was pretty well dispersed. My sales analytics for August, you can see here, this is a breakdown by day and by market. And the US market are the tall lines as you would expect. So. And you can, again, see the breakdown by product type, 91% standard t-shirts. By the way, like my uploads, I'm hitting my, so tier 200,000, they give us 8,000 products a day in our daily uploads. And I hit that 8,000 like clockwork every single day. So I'm getting lots and lots of product types posted. But of course, I still have a lot of old products that are posted only to standard t-shirts. So you would expect to see majority, but 91%. And that's with me daily posting all these different product types for each design, basically getting them enabled on all these different product types. So yeah, standard t-shirt, don't overthink it, is the best selling product on Merch by Amazon. You can see pullover hoodie, 2%, premium t-shirt, 2%, tank top, 2%, followed by v-neck, 1%, sold 6 raglan, 5 sweatshirts, 5 pillows, 4 pop sockets, 3 tote bags, 2 zip hoodies, 2 long sleeve shirt, and 1 iPhone case. Top fit type, 64% men, 27% women, 6% kids. Breakdown by color, 45% black, 8% navy blue, 8% dark heather gray, 7% royal blue. After that, it's 4%, 3%, etc. And then as my upload progress thus far, it looks like I am at 147,389 of 200,000 published designs. And my product potential right here is over 500,000. But of a potential possible 12.8 million, so I'm at roughly 4% filled. Wish me luck. I don't know how it's possible that anybody's going to get all of them filled, especially given the daily restrictions. Like, I don't actually know if it's possible because your products will start to fall off. You know, they fall off after 365 days if they don't make a sale. So I don't know if it's actually even possible, but who knows, you know. I will keep uploading every day. All right, drop shipped print on demand. I did 394 sales, bringing in $2,181 of profit. Amazon.com led the way with 278 sales. Amazon.co.uk, a measly 2 sales, but I stopped really prioritizing that. I switched my account to a, I think I said this last month, but it's no longer a professional account. It's a standard, what do they call it? Like individual seller account. So I don't pay the $40 a month, and I don't have a GTN exemption, so I can't publish new products. So I just have my old ones. But 2 sales is 2 sales, whatever. eBay, 24 sales. Redbubble, 78. Spreadshirt, 2. And Zazzle, 10 sales. Zazzle, 10 sales. Well done. Zazzle used to make no sales each month. Now it's doing like, you know, it's doing decent, like a little bit extra money here and there. But 10 sales, I'll take that. So you can see my Printful sales chart for Amazon.com Seller Central, which does not include my Gear Bubble sales. I also use Gear Bubble in conjunction with POD Turbo, which pushes 200 products a day for me that get fulfilled by Gear Bubble. I've also got all my older Gear Bubble products that I used to do manually, so lots and lots of products on my Seller Central account, my Amazon.co.uk account. By the way, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see my daily posting of my Printful plus Amazon sales. I try to post that every single day, along with my FBA sales and my merch sales. And here's my Printful eBay sales as well. eBay was a big improvement this year for me. I prioritized it when I thought I had a batch of products that would do well. They did end up doing well. And so yeah, don't sleep on eBay. You're leaving money on the table otherwise. Like I had a couple months where eBay was making like $800 profit. And I think everybody watching, myself included, would take that $800 profit, right? So breakdown by my top platforms. Amazon.com, $1,607 profit. eBay, $315 profit. Redbubble, $207 profit. Zazzle, $26 profit. And Amazon.co.uk, with those 2 sales, $19.73 profit. And ultimately, this earned me a silver volume discount of 7% that will apply to my sales in September. Love that. All right, let's move on to KDP. I did 78 sales on the month. This is probably a big month for people that really focused on getting like back to school style journals posted. I did not really focus too much on that. I mean, I traveled a lot this summer, got a lot of my traveling in this year that I didn't get to do last year. So Making excuses. I hate doing that, but it is what it is. KDP just doesn't excite me as much as it used to, but I need to get back into there. Where I'm slacking in my KDP business is converting my t-shirt designs to KDP book covers. And yes, that is the way I typically prioritize my KDP, just because it's an easily streamlined method of doing it that can be scaled pretty easily. So I need to just get better about getting those conversions done, because then I can get back to uploading KDP using Power KDP, my upload automation tool of choice, each night. But anyways, rambling. 78 sales, $127.73 of profit, average royalty $1.64 per sale. And after this month, I should crack $1,000 on the year from Amazon KDP. I did have one day here, August 21st, where I think that was 22 sales in a single day. So that was a good day. All right. And you can see by marketplace, United States led the way with $96 in profit. United Kingdom came in second with $29.91 profit. Canada, third, $9.90 profit. And Germany, one sale, $1.52 in profit. All right, and we'll round it all out with Google Ads. My earnings total was $4,125.85 of profit. YouTube brought in $3,954 of profit. The website that I run, I don't know why the Google Ads was down so much to only $171 of profit, but I'll look into that. The page views are actually up month over month, but the ad impressions fell. So that's interesting. But page views, 509,000, and ad impressions, 682,000. So let's drill down into these numbers. By the way, again, if you want to check out my blog, you can see, the dashboard from Google Ads, AdSense. I don't know if they want to be called AdSense anymore. Let me see. I'm pretty sure it still says AdSense, but I swear they sent something out like a year ago that said they were rebranding as just Google Ads, and they were gonna, mesh in both AdSense and AdWords. But anyways, Google Analytics also available here, the dashboard for last month. And let's get to my YouTube revenue. So this is Ryan Hogue Passive Income, where they pay me to do these videos, which is awesome. I didn't even think that I would make any money when I initially started on YouTube doing these, but I guess it's a decent space to be in. I know that the amount paid for the ads is a little bit higher than normal. So I guess it's a good niche to be in. Didn't know that when I got started though. Anyways, channel got 208,510 views. Estimated revenue, $3,887.90. That is for Ryan Hogue Passive Income. And for my Ryan Hogue Investing alternate channel, looks like estimated revenue was $77.64. So I actually need to update these numbers because I thought it said $66.66 for some reason. But I got a little bit more money than that. That's just a little side project. I think I only posted 2 videos last month just because I was so busy. So, I'll take that, and it'll grow slowly. And if it's ever something I'd really want to focus on, it's there. It's good to have an alternate channel though, especially because YouTube's closing so many channels these days for saying things that are true, but if you say it too early, you know what I mean? Like ahead of the mainstream media saying it's okay to say, it's a weird time to be alive, guys. So YouTube censors are crazy. Facebook censors are crazy. Twitter censors are crazy. It's a weird time, guys. Like we're living in a time of great censorship. That's all I'm going to say. Here we go. So you can see my subscribers gained by video here, just like random analytics from, obviously it's a Google product. Google owns YouTube. So you can get a bunch of crazy analytics like that if you go into your analytics section in your YouTube studio. But currently at just about 79,400 subscribers. Thank you to everybody that has subscribed thus far and helped the channel grow. And let's go back up to the top and wrap up this video. So August 2021 passive income report from e-commerce sales. My total was Amazon FBA, $6,008.12 of profit, followed by Amazon merch, $4,875.34 of profit, followed by Google Ads, $4,125 of profit, followed by dropshipped print on demand, $2,181 of profit, and last but not least, Amazon KDP, $127.73 of profit, for a grand total in the month of August of $17,318.05 of passive income profit, plus $11 because I miscounted my second YouTube channel. I was off by $11. But anyways, I know that doesn't really matter. So yeah, good month, guys. And we're getting very close to the start of the fourth quarter. So now's the time to really buckle down and get excited about getting as many products as possible available for sale in as many places as possible. We know that if you occupy as much online real estate as possible with products for sale, you should make more money than if you occupy less online real estate with products for sale, right? Don't make it hard for people to give you their money. Make it easy. Okay, so get on all the major e-commerce marketplaces, follow the trends, follow best practices. If you're doing print on demand or if you're doing FBA, it doesn't matter. The best practices are what they are, and you'll do great. All right. The fourth quarter is what really counts. Like when we look at these monthly income reports, it's misleading because the best way to really get insights into a business is to take the 12-month aggregate total and divide by 12, because we already know the fourth quarter is where the majority of the sales are going to be, guys. So we're heading into there. I'm very excited. I'm going to keep grinding throughout the day. I'm constantly like manually pushing new products through the Printful Amazon integration. The rest of the stuff I do is pretty much using automation, but just letting you guys know, KDP is where I'm slacking. So you know what? I need to be more accountable for KDP, but that's my focus for this month. After I record this video, actually, I can just get to converting a bunch of new KDP book covers. So I think I'm going to do that, guys. But anyways, yes, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Any feedback, any questions, I'd love to hear from you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon.